Hello everyone, welcome to the awareness session. I am Swati Jagtap. I'm going to give the awareness about forensic applications of signal processing as program elective 6. So this is the structure for BTech. So in this structure we are having two program elective 5 and program elective 6. So program elective 6 is having 2 credits for theory and 1 credit for lab, and we are having a examination pattern of 100 marks for theory and 25 marks for as a term work for the subject. So one of the program elective 6 is a forensic application of signal processing. So let us first see what is the need of this forensic application, why we have added this subject as one of the program elective, what is the need of the subject. So while forensic investigation or finding the evidence for particular crime, involvement of the signals are there. So which kind of signals are there? For crime investigation, we are using the images, videos in order to understand the proper scene, criminal scene, and through that image and video we can understand the different we can get the different forensic evidence where exactly, how exactly the crime has been happened, as well as different digital forensic uh, uh, process we are using, such as identification of the fingerprints. Through fingerprints we can identify the suspect, or through iris identification we can able to get to the success suspects. Apart from that, audio speech analysis we are doing, and through that we are understanding how the suspect may do that particular crime. So there are many applications of a signal processing in forensic evidence getting. Apart from that, there are different career opportunities for forensic application. So these are the career opportunity which is there. So before framing the syllabus, we have gone through the different website through which we have identified what are the career opportunity for electronics and telecommunication engineer if they will go through the course. So this is the different opportunity or the profile if you're going through the subject. So understanding that particular profile, we have framed the subject. So the subject is having a theory of 2 credits, and it is having 100 marks of the examination, including IE for 20 marks, MT for 30, ET for 50. So the syllabus is having 4 unit covering the 4 objective, where the first objective is to understand the fundamentals of forensic science, as it is the first kind of subject which is introduced in the signal processing stream. So we should understand what is forensic science, what is the fundamentals terminologies which is related with that. After understanding that, what are the different cyber crimes and cyber securities, how the process has been carried, what are the different terminologies related with that we are understanding. And then unit number 3, we are going to deal with the biometric authentication techniques for person identification. Last unit we are going to understand the audio video forensic, where we are going to check the involvement of the audio and video signal for finding the forensic evidence. Based upon the 4 unit, we are having 4 outcomes, where the student will be able to understand the different forensic law uh, uh, by understanding the fundamentals of forensic. The student can able to identify the different forensic tools in order to investigate the cyber crime or cyber security. Apart from that, for third unit, biometric authentication, the students will able to understand how the biometric authentication methods, what are the different methods which we are carrying on for identification of the person. And at the end, the student will be able to identify what are the different audio, video, and images evidence which is there for forensic techniques. So based upon this 4 outcomes, we have framed the detailed syllabus. So the detailed syllabus is having a 24 hour, where 6R is given for the unit number 1, that is forensic science, which is dealing with the fundamentals of the forensic science. Unit number 2 is having 8 hours of duration, which covers the computer forensics and cyber crime. Unit number 3, as discussed, will cover the biometrics such as fingerprints, technology, face recognition, iris, retina, hand geometry in order to identify the person. And unit number 4 deals with the audio video forensic, where we are going to see the different audio video techniques or technology for identification of the suspects. So these are the references related with the subject. The subject is having a term work of 25 marks for forensic application and signal processing lab, where we are having 12 experiments. Out of 12 we need to perform the 8 experiment. So mostly the experiment covers the different tools for biomedical data analysis, as well as analysis of the different evidence in terms of motion, video, images, so that the student can able to analyze or find the evidence using through this particular tool. So based upon this, we have framed this 11 experiment, and out of this 11, 8 experiment the student should understand. So this experiment starts with the basics of forensic analysis, and then it complete with a collection of the data set required for the speech, for biometric, for audio, video, images, and then doing the analysis and coming with some outcome in the form of an evidence. So these are the list of experiment for the subject. So that's all.